Finally, after all these years!
I made a dog potion. I don't now yet.
What are you doing out here, little doggy? Don't worry, I will keep you as my little dog. Hey babe, my home.
Well, where am I?
At home, silly.
And it looks like you brought a friend.
Yay, I did. Well, how was work?
It was weird, I was there I think and now I hear.
I think you need some rest.
Yeah, I think you're right, if you need me I will be here.
Okay, going to take a shower. I look so cute. Hey boy, wanna see yourself in this mirror? Are you okay? You was looking at that thing for a while. Well, since we are here, let talk. How your day been? Yay, my day been okay too. Now dog, I want to do what I say. Put your hand out. Now bark. You're so cute and adorable. You're following all my commands and you're so adorable. Stay in that pose. I will be right back. Some many good photos. And now going to name you Peticha.